asuntosyköyhtiö Pyynikintori 8 Tampere, staircase B.
Tampere, Finland, modernized by Evergreen. 4 versions or 320 kilograms. Very nice with the gate.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And you don't have to, it's easily operated.
Yeah.
And let me see, it was built in 1933, modernized in 2013, H1636, 6 floors. Let's ride it. This one has an indicator for overload.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be inspected this year, 2019. Very beautiful place.
Yeah.
And really cozy.
Yeah.
And modernized with Evergreen still in 2013, not cases.
Yeah.
But I think I've filmed somewhere with 2012 and Evergreen.
Nice.
Yeah. I don't know, they probably don't use the Evergreen anymore.
But still in 2016 with orange light.
With what?
Yeah, orange light.
The Evergreen.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So they still use it.
Yeah. Inspekti paikki vain inspektoin meitä vaikka on.
Okay. So great. This is Pyynikintori here.
Yeah.
The Pyynikin Square. That's it.
That's it.